Nabi alayhi salam used to continuously make dua. Nuh alayhi salam also made dua, Rabbi inni maghlubun fantasir. After all the effort, someone who is in distress, is in difficulty, he should make this dua. So if your wife's troubling you at home, make Rabbi inni maghlubun fantasir. One brother told me, Maulana, why in etika? There must be some trouble at home. I said, no, alhamdulillah, everything is okay. He says, no, only you in etika, I don't see anyone else in etika. I said, soon they're all coming. Very soon, inshallah. Mohsin? Soon, inshallah. Rabbi inni maghlubun fantasir. When you are in stress and difficulty, recite this dua. However, you should do what is in your capability. Thereafter, ask Allah Ta'ala for help as well. Some of us, what we do is we don't do anything and we want help. So Allah Ta'ala also wants to see your efforts. Nuh alayhi salam made effort for 950 years, and then he made the dua that now Allah, I have been overpowered by my enemies, fantasir, therefore help me. Musa alayhi salam made dua, Rabbi inni lima anzalta ilayya min khayrin faqir. Allah Ta'ala opened all the doors for him. This is a dua that Musa alayhi salam made when he left the palace of Fir'aun and he entered into Midian. He sat under a tree and there was no one to help him, no one to assist him. Obviously, he fled from a land where people were willing to kill him or people were willing to take him to the court of Pharaoh. So Musa alayhi salam made this dua, and how Allah Ta'ala opened his doors. Allah Ta'ala gave him a job as well. Allah Ta'ala gave him a wife, and what a good home Allah Ta'ala gave him shelter in of Shu'aib alayhi salam. And the daughter of Shu'aib alayhi salam became the wife of Musa alayhi salam. And thereafter on the return, Allah Ta'ala gave him nubuwwat. Not only that, Allah Ta'ala made his brother a Nabi as well. So ulama say a person who is in difficulty, if he recites this dua, Rabbi inni lima anzalta ilayya min khayrin faqir. So if you are jobless, you can get your job as well. If you are homeless, you'll get a home as well. And if you are wifeless, you'll get a wife as well, inshallah ta'ala.